So this week on Spill the Beans, we have prepared a little bit of a cooking time. In fact, I don't know if you've seen, but in France, there's a lot of protests. And so the people, they can't really go out on the streets. So we were thinking about them and we thought that we might do a little something, you know, that you could do at home to do something. So, and this week we've decided that we might do a macaroon recipe, a chocolate macaroon recipe.
So for this recipe we will need 3 eggs whites, 200 grams of icing sugar, 125 grams of almond powder, 30 grams of caster sugar, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 120 grams of black chocolate, 80 grams of butter, 30 grams of thick cream, and if you want you can add food coloring, but that is optional.
Yes. So first of all, you're gonna need to preheat the oven to 150 degrees. Hop, I'm doing it in the meantime. Up. It's okay. Up, and there we go. And also you'll have to line a large baking tray with a baking paper, just like that. And then you'll put the macarons on. So first of all, we'll sift the almond powder with the cocoa powder and the icing sugar. So you do this very gentle.
Then we take the eggs white into the large bowl. And then we will mix them. Then you can add the caster sugar little by little while whisking. So like you can see now, they are good. It's become fluffy and stiff.
You can pour the powder that you made earlier with the eggs. So you put it into the bowl, just like that. Can you help me, Rathsada, please? Hop. And you blend it. You do it little by little. Take your time. So now you can see it's all fluffy, so it's ready. Hop. So what's next, Rathsada?
We will need to spoon the paste into the piping bag. So let's do it.
Okay, and then we'll make the macarons. Yes. Okay, let's go. So now it's time to make the macaroons.
Okay.
So we're gonna take the baking tray. Right here. And while held vertically, we're gonna make some flat circles with the piping bag.
So let's do it.
So you need to do like little ones and make sure that you leave a space between them.
Give the tray 2 or 3 slaps on the table, flatten them, like that.
Okay. And now we have beautiful macarons.
No.
Not yet. Not yet, that's right. So what's next?
So next, leave it to stand for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, okay.
To form a skin.
Okay.
So let's do it.
So, well, in the meantime, we can do the little paste and the cream that we're gonna put inside our macarons. So for that, we're gonna need the butter, the cream,
and the chocolate.
and the chocolate, and we're gonna melt all that inside the saucepan. You can see here that it's so melted.
Oh, it looks so delicious.
It smells so good.
Yeah.
And then you let it cool. So here we are. After 30 minutes, we've let everything. We've allowed them to cool. And now we can see that the cream is ready. And so are the macarons. So it's time to bake them.
Yes. So we take the macaron and we bake them for 10 to 15 minutes. So in the oven.
In the oven?
Let's do it. So we have to put the jar slightly ajar.
Slightly ajar?
Yes.
Do you have some tips to do
yes,
that?
for example, we can take a spoon.
A spoon?
Yes. Do you have a spoon? So, and we can put the spoon like that. Just like that.
Okay. And we leave it like that for 10 minutes?
For 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay.
Depending on the oven.
So, Rathsada, tell me, I mean, while we wait, I was thinking there is a lot of sugar in this recipe. I mean, 200 grams, it's a lot, no?
Oh no, because if we take the example of biscuit that we buy in supermarket, there are a lot of chemical products on it. So I think it's not very so more because every time we say just don't eat meat, don't eat too meat, don't eat not sugar, not butter, and so on. So, but in my opinion, I think we need everything. So we just have to. So it's everything.
Yeah, a little bit of everything and equally.
Exactly.
Okay. So you think that it's better that we make our macarons ourselves?
Oh yeah, because we can buy our own ingredients because so we can choose and just.
Oh, and we can control what we put in them.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
When we buy something in the pre-fabricated, so we don't look every time at the ingredient in it.
Okay, but I mean, so you're saying that you don't really agree with all the people that argue, you know, around debate, like you know that all the debates about healthy food and say that we can't eat biscuits, cookies, and macarons, everything. So you don't agree with them. You think that it's better to eat a little bit of everything.
Oh, I mean, just for my opinion.
Okay.
So it's just my own lifestyle. I think I don't want to.
Well, this seems to be working.
Yeah,
you're in a good shape.
I'm in good shape, but I think another person who just eat vegetables or fruit, I think they are in good shape too. But just for me, I think because I live in eating everything, so I think I can change my lifestyle. Oh,
okay.
I think it's almost ready.
Oh, really? Well, then we're gonna prepare the pastry bag for the cream that we're gonna put inside the macarons. Okay, so let's go. So we got them out. So now it's time to sandwich the macarons together and put some whipped cream inside. So there we go. So they're almost done. Now we're going to make the decoration.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna be over.
It's cool. So we finished. So we can keep them a couple of days, but well, if they hang around that long, no?
Yeah, because they are gonna be delicious. Well, anyways, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, you can find the video on our website with the recipe in the recipe section. And we'll be in touch, and we'll see you next week for another video. Bye!
Bye!